Today, we're diving into a full review of AI Money Printer. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. The more we make. It's not rocket science. The more times we hit the upload button inside the AI Money Printer dashboard, the more money we make. For example, if we upload 5 videos equals we make $245. Upload 10 videos equals we make $590. Upload 25 videos equals we make $1,225. Upload 50 videos equals we make $2,450. Hurry up, price rises again in hours, minutes, seconds. From day one. These methods you're being taught don't work. They instantly set you up for failure. You know, things like, okay, maybe, just maybe these methods worked 10 years ago. Solo ads. High-ticket sales. Dropshipping. Content creation. Spamming social media. It's not your fault. If you've been struggling for a while now, it can be easy to place blame on yourself. You may think you're not smart enough, not hardworking enough, not investing enough. Online marketer. And I know what it's like to struggle. Before all the penthouses, Ferraris, exotic trips, things weren't always so bright. My life was dark. Evicted from my home. Watched my credit score crumble. Struggled to put food on the table. Relied on welfare. Fired from my job. Make money online. I've helped tens of thousands of people make money online. Women. Men. Students. Retirees. Fathers. Mothers. Are outdated and ineffective. You see, let me tell you a dirty little secret. 99% of the methods being taught to you for making money online are completely outdated. And they've never worked in the first place. I bet you've tried out a lot of these methods yourself. You know, methods like solo ads, email marketing, funnels, selling products online, dropshipping, surveys. A much better way. I struggled for what seemed like an eternity. And that's why it makes my blood boil when I see hardworking people get screwed over. I know how tired you are of all the nonsense. The expensive coaching. Paying for traffic. The useless products. It's nothing but a big headache. I knew there had to be a far better way of making money online. Something that was fast, reliable, easy. We finally had a working system on our hands. It was a lot of hard work, done by our 10 team members. And a lot of money invested to get things working. $45,488.72 invested. Gallons of coffee. Staying up late. 12 months of work. And here's the best part. You don't have to create these videos yourself. Yup, you're reading that correctly. This means, you don't have to edit videos. Show your face. Record your voice. Write titles. Make thumbnails. The more we make. It's quite straightforward. The more videos we upload with the AI Money Printer system, the more money we get paid. For example, let's do some math. Upload 5 videos equals we make $245. Upload 10 videos equals we make $590. Upload 25 videos equals we make $1,225. Upload 50 videos equals we make $2,450. Hurry up, price rises again in hours.
So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.